Last week, as you know, I was out of town. We went to a very fun place. It was called the H&H Americas show in Chicago, Illinois. So what we did is we took videos of our top 5 things we wanted to bring to you guys.
What is the second thing that you would like to talk about?
Well, I got to have an interview with the Serger Queen. That's right, that's Pam Mahshie. Pam Mahshie was at H&H, and I got to spend some time with her and talk to her about sergers and about the new Bernina Serger coming out. Check this out. But you've got some new sergers to show us from Bernina.
We do. We have the new cover stitch, which you're standing in front of, the 620.
Okay.
And you know, this is the first time anybody has ever seen these machines.
Okay.
So it's the first time they've been here. So with the cover stitch, separate cover stitch, and separate overlock machine that we have. And with these 2 new machines, they have a lot of really great features that are overlapping.
Okay, so this is 4 thread,
4 thread,
3 thread,
2 thread.
2 thread, okay.
Mm-hmm.
And I see it, it's got automatic threading here?
Automatic air threading.
Okay.
So you have your one step air threading. And when you take the cover off, the cover's one piece, so you have your cutoffs and your looper cover all at the same time.
Okay.
So now when we're ready to thread, we're just going to step on the foot pedal and the lights come on, and that's going to indicate to you that now you're ready for threading.
Awesome.
It also has programmable needle stop position, so you can program the needle to stop either up or down.
Okay.
And it has drop feed. So if you're working with heavy fabrics, and you use your freehand system, it's going to drop those feed dogs when you raise the presser foot.
So what you're saying is, drop feed is when I stop sewing, I use my knee lift to bring the foot up, and the feed dogs go down as the foot goes up, so I can easily pull my fabric out.
Yep.
All
or
right.
put fabric in, or elastic, or any other fabric.
So it doesn't catch on the feed dogs.
Right.
Especially there's a lot of fabrics too that kind of catch on feed dogs, right?
Something light or knit could catch on those feed dogs, and now it'll just slide right in.
And now for me, this is really important. Does it have a needle threader?
Yes.
Oh, good. I am so thankful for that.
It does. It has the needle threader with different positions, so you can do your left or right needle.
Okay.
And even on the cover stitch machine.
Oh, you have all 3?
All 3.
Oh, yes. Okay, now this light looks special. I've heard this is special. I press this button here and it will...
And it's dimmable.
It's dimmable.
So if you're like here, we have a clear foot on. So if we're working with a clear foot, you may not want the light to be so bright so that it reflects on the foot. Now you can dim it down so that you can see the markings or lines or your fabric better under the presser foot.
Oh, wow.
And watch, the foot swings out of the way.
Oh, that's nice.
So now you can get your threads underneath. You can also, if you're going to be using, again, the freehand system and those feed dogs lower down, you can get your fabric position right in the place you need it to be.
Now this switch right here.
Speed control.
This is the speed control. So now I can regulate my top speed.
Yep.
And with that, does this have like one of those direct motors that gives you...
This is a DC motor.
Really?
So it's very, very quiet, and you can sew through really thick fabrics.
What I love about DC motors is that when you set your speed control, you have equal power at any speed.
Yes.
So if want to go slow, like the baby Bernina Sergers, the faster I go, the more power I have.
Sure.
Here I will have equal power at any speed. That makes it so nice.
Yes.
Oh, wow. I'm so looking forward to these. Yeah. Now, I know I go to BU in July. When do I get these?
You're going to probably get them at the end of July,
okay.
right around the end of July. And then people can come in and see them.
Okay, so I only get my floor models at the end of July, right?
Right.
So people are going to have to order them, and then they can get them in
probably August or September.
September. So you want to come in and see these? If this is something that's important,
brand new.
We're very excited about these new sergers coming. Thank you so much, and we hope to see you.
Okay, so Brett, let's say we've watched Pam Mahshie, and we're like, I want a Bernina Serger. And what do we do?
Well, this Bernina Serger actually won't be out until probably mid to late July.
Oh.
So you're going to have to sit tight and watch your emails, because when we get back from BU, we're going to actually take more videos of this in BU. But when we get back from BU, which is Bernina University, which is in late June, early July, we will we'll send out the email when the new products come in. So you won't want to miss it. You make sure you're on our email list and that you know that.
Okay. If you've missed any of our other videos of Brett and his favorite things at H&H, make sure you take a look at our link below.